Hey everyone, I'm Stefan, excavator product manager at Develon, and today I'm super excited to present you the brand new DX230LC-9 series for the very first time in Europe. As you can see, new design, higher engine bonnet to improve the cooling performance, brand new cabin offering a premium comfort to the operator with a 12-inch Android monitor. But the biggest improvement is the fuel efficiency. This machine offers 20% more fuel efficiency versus the previous generation. If you want to know more about this machine, please come and visit us at Bauma.